Y'all see the fun I'm having to do right now, right? Okay, you see there's an engine there, tranny engine there. I got all my stuff just scattered everywhere, guys. Coolant mess. I've mopped about 3 or 4 times, but this video is not about that. As y'all saw in the title, y'all saw in the thumbnail, I'm just here to explain what's going on in this upcoming video. Okay, so y'all seen I took the front clip off of the Armada. I took all the accessories off. That was one video, and then the next video we got the cover off, and I noticed that I jumped ahead and uploaded the cleaning part of this video, or preparation of this, the cleaning for the timing cover, back in July. So this may be a repeat for some of y'all, and for some of y'all, well, y'all get to enjoy it for the first time, because we've gained maybe 20,000 subs since then. So if you haven't seen this, if you have seen it, just that guy over there is being noisy. Like I said, I jumped too far ahead and uploaded that video back in July. Well, this is going to be the cleaning, and I just wanted to make it in chronological order, right? So in order, okay? Because if I were to upload the video that is next, then y'all would be confused, because I'm talking about the previous video. So if y'all would like, again, if you've seen it, like it. If you've seen it, comment. If you've seen it, just let it play through, guys, and enjoy it. While that's happening, I'm going to be behind the scenes doing this, and just enjoying being a technician, trying to remember how everything in this vehicle goes. Started off this video just a little bit different. As y'all saw, the intro came right away versus me talking for a little bit and then going straight into it. So if you sat through the intro, please do me a quick favor: like, comment, share, subscribe, or you could like this afterwards, but definitely you want to subscribe. You want to join the FMFAM, because there are special perks, special stuffs on the channel, special giveaways. Okay, we do giveaways at certain milestones, but there's member giveaways every single month, depending on how many members there are at the current time. Depicts what that decides what's given away and how many prizes. Okay, with that being said, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification bells on so you don't miss another upload. And as you see, we are in a VK56. I'm lying, it's not a VK56, it's more like a VDD56, whatever. Okay, it's a direct injected V8 5.6 liter engine. I'm doing a timing cover reseal. As y'all saw, as you see, there is some oil right there. I've already sprayed some off. The majority of the leak was down over here. I don't know if y'all could really tell where the leak was coming from, but it was coming from right about this area. You could see the color discoloration of where it was leaking, and then I'll show y'all on the timing cover what that looked like as well. So as y'all see, I did, in fact, I've already somewhat cleaned and started to prep the surface on this. Okay, as y'all see, there's not a whole lot of gasket material left over. Now before I do go back together with this, I am gonna make sure this block is like dry. Okay, no, I can't get rid of all the oil, but I want to make sure there's nothing dripping onto my prepped surfaces. And this is another thing, guys: how do y'all prep y'all surfaces? Okay, do y'all use a scraper? Do y'all use a razor blade? Do y'all use a carbide scraper? I got all 3 of those. Or are y'all using, let's say, whiz wheel, wire wheels? Hey, when you use a wire wheel, you got to be mindful, guys. You know, you don't want to stand in a spot too long. There is a certain procedure I use, but I'm not going to tell y'all what I use. I want y'all to tell me down in the comments, what and how do you prepare your surfaces for gaskets and silicone, silicone, silicon, whatever you want to call it. This type of stuff right here, man, I need a new caulking gun, okay, because this one's already getting worn out. But yeah, guys, there will be videos of me tearing down this vehicle, tearing down this timing cover. I just wanted to jump ahead to ask y'all, because I was doing this. I know I haven't been putting out videos like crazy lately. With this heat, I'd be more tired than usual. Okay, the heat does get to you. I hate it. I don't like heat, even though I'm down in a hot state. Y'all know what state I'm in. But I'm not used to this shit, guys. No, 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 no. Don't get it twisted. Even though I'm from here, I don't enjoy it. I like my 80s, my 70s, my 60s. Really love my 60s. Okay. So yeah, guys, I need to I really need to get going. They're already rushing me to get this thing done. I've only been working on this for half a day, and as y'all can see, we got the timing cover over here. That's kind of weird. It's literally a V. Yeah, I gotta prep the bottom piece. I gotta replace the O-rings. Now, let's see, where was it leaking? Y'all see this right here? That's about where it was leaking. You see all this discoloration? That's where the oil was getting through. So that's how you can tell exactly where your timing cover was leaking. And then on this side, we got discoloration right there. Y'all see that? It's where oil was making its way through. Dirty oil. So yeah, we need to prep this up. We need to, I want to show y'all something. See if it could pick it up. Okay. Y'all hear that? I don't know if the audio is picking it up, but this thing is not machined smooth. It's not polished. There is a texture on it. So let's say this. Okay, you see these little kind of nicks right there? I don't even know if that was me. No, that wasn't me, because I was going down like that. I was getting that number. As y'all can see, all these microchips. I don't know where that came from, but will the silicone, once I surface prep this, will the silicone keep that from leaking? Is that the purpose of silicone? To seal imperfections? I think so. I don't think that's going to cause an issue. Now, if we gouge it, like really gouge into it, maybe it'll cause an issue. But like I said, guys, I'm going to clean this whole thing up. I'm going to clean the timing cover up. And once I'm done, I'll put this video together and post it. Y'all going to see it. Hopefully the same day. Now I could get a video out. And yeah, so let's get all this stuff cleaned up and we'll catch y'all in a second. Alrighty, so I cleaned it. I went it through. I brake cleaned it. I'm doing my prep work and I forgot to clean the bottom. So y'all see there's still old silicone. And then, well, the point of brake cleaning, you know, you get to see everywhere that you potentially missed. So let's run it through. Let's focus. Let's focus. Okay, kind of missed right here, right there. I could just easily, you know, scrape that off. Everything's looking to check out. I mean, I could do it once over, get everything to a T. But for the most part, it does look okay. Now, y'all remember where the leak was, right? Yeah, I do my best to clean it up. That way it don't look like it's still leaking. That way they can't say, oh, no, your technician didn't do the job right. It's still leaking. No, it's not going to appear to have a leak once I'm done with it. The whole point is to get in there, do it right, and make sure that the customer knows that you were in there, knows that their vehicle is getting repaired correctly.
Today's episode of How Fucked Up is Fucked Up.
And then over here, I will do the same thing. I haven't focused on the block that much, although I have gone through and I've done some scraping, some prep work. Still not done with the block itself. As y'all see, there's still a whole lot of oil back there that I got to clean up. Now, guys, I will say this. It did not take me no 8 hours to get to this point. What does take the longest when doing jobs like this is definitely cleaning the silicone, prepping surfaces, applying the silicone and getting it put back on, lining it up, making sure nothing goes wrong, making sure all your surfaces are good. Now, I will say one thing. When I go to put it on, okay, there's a whole point. You don't want to put it on when it's completely like right away. What I do, this is just me, is I will run a layer, right? I'll use my thumb. I'll run a layer all through the mating surface. Boom, 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 right? That will get tacked up, okay? That will definitely get tacked up. And then over on this one is where I actually lay my beads, okay? I'll lay the bead all through there, right? Just along the edges. Now, inside the hole, not outside the hole, because then you'll create a leak. And we have an O-ring that goes there. We have an O-ring that goes somewhere right here, I think. Have an O-ring surface right here, and of course we have an O-ring that goes on the bottom. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna touch this up. Okay, I'm gonna touch it up, and we're gonna come back through, and y'all gonna see the finished product. And maybe I'll try to clean it up just a little bit better, because I don't like putting out work that don't look like I did any work. Get rid of that excess right there. You don't need that looking all dingy. Alright guys, I went through it, did a second pass. I cleaned it, like I said, the best I freaking can.
Where are your keys at?
Mine?
Yeah.
Why?
Get my shit out of the seat.
Oh.
Since you didn't help me get the goddamn teas or the food this morning.
Ah. Over here crying. Anyways, yeah. Uh-oh. Almost forgot. Right there. Gotta clean that bore out. Should be clean. Alright. So yeah, we came through, did a second pass. And like I said, guys, prepping this stuff is probably the most time-consuming deal. See some chemical reactions with the metal. Now that's prior to me working on it. That's not me. But did make sure I got along the edge. Okay, because this is like, I don't know, this is deep in the aluminum. I'm not gonna work that spot too crazy. So we got it all prepped up, we got it cleaned up. Gotta replace these little filters in there, and then we have O-rings up front that we're gonna be replacing. Okay, now coming over here, I have a lot of cleaning to do, so I'm gonna do that stuff off camera. Guys, if y'all want to see this whole series, it's gonna be up on the channel soon. So like I said before, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notifications on so you don't miss another upload. What are you doing to my car, to my cover? Get your grimy little hands. Get your grimy. Oh no. Anyways, guys, let me know how y'all prep surfaces. And do y'all use a scraper? Do y'all use razor blade? Do y'all use a wire wheel? I don't know. Yeah. Scraper. I mean, brush, wire brush. Are you gonna do that, or are you gonna save some time? Okay. Like I said, silicone will fill imperfections. That's all I'm saying. Y'all have a good one. Join the FMFAM down below. We out. Deuce.
Tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down.